Today, I would like to walk you through my infographic and my design process. First, I would like to start with proximity. Proximity is grouping related design elements together. I decided to put the bar graph and the isotope graph right next to each other because they are based on similar statistics of sex and age of people who smoke cigarettes in the United States. Now I'm going to move on to visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is design means the arrangement of element imply the levels of importance. Visual hierarchy on my infograph is the switch from orange for more important types of information. I also used it to separate men and women on the isotope from one gender to the next. Moving on to focal points. Focal points have levels, and the levels are dominant, subdominant, and subordinate. Focal points aren't something I seem to put on my infograph very much, but one example I have in my graph is the dark blue compared to the lighter blue. I use the dark blue for negative information compared to the lighter blue, teal colors that I use for statistics and percents. Lastly, I want to go over alignment. Alignment means the elements are not scattered on a page but arranged relative to a line or margin. Although that doesn't mean it has to have an actual line, I separated each of my sections with a black border in various sizes of lines to separate my information from each other. There are 4 examples of alignment, which are horizontal, vertical, edge, and center. I used edge in this area. I have the information to the left so it would fill up more of this space, so I added a graphic. So that's why I aligned it to the edge of the right side of the paper. Lastly, I use center alignment for my whole infograph. It's all centered in each section except for these 2, which are on the edge and to the right and left. If you have any more questions, I will be happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much.